Precisely, and today we're talking about additive manufacturing. At LTI, we provide a complete workflow for additive manufacturing materials. From powder to fully printed parts and builds, we test them all under one roof. It all starts with powder characterization, followed by machining, extraction, and specimen preparation to ensure reliable results. We provide both destructive and non-destructive testing, everything from fracture toughness to fatigue, digital radiography, and ultrasonic inspections with our new ScanMaster UT tank. And our customers love that it's all under one roof, saving them time and eliminating delays. By eliminating vendor handoffs, LTI delivers industry-leading turnaround time, averaging 3.39 days compared to the industry's 5 to 7. That's why defense, space, aerospace, and naval programs trust us to keep their additive manufacturing projects moving. LTI, your end-to-end additive manufacturing testing partner.